going on, guys? Jay from Wixwise back again, and we're at the SPL Crew Car Audio meetup, and just a bunch of guys with some car audio just meeting up and saying hello. So have a walk through and see what's around. Yep, 100%. It's always the battle. I'm about to run into the same problem with my own car. Way too much gear and not a lot of space. Yeah, whole boot gone. See you later.
All the Alpine Type R Pros.
Yep.
And the Alpine 3.5 inch.
Yeah,
DP.
beautiful. Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. Nice. Seen this car before somewhere. And this one you'll see a lot more of very soon. Yeah. Why not? You're not going to use them for seats and feet. And of course, why not some late nines? As you do. As you do.
Is it more SPL or can I turn it up?
Yeah, I haven't got it last one. Sorry?
It's a shame it's not a bit lighter out here and we could see the rest of the car. Yeah, it's sick.
I've got the brick, then it just...
I like it.
It's a lot of fun.
Good shit.
Yeah, I'm having a lot of fun with it.
Yep. This car's come a long way.
I'm surprised it's got a tailgate.
True. I'm sure all of the welds are gone.
It's not its original, I'll tell you that now. It's at least its second.
Oh,
I seen it one day that it was broken in half along the joint here.
oh, that's right. Shit. No, see, this is the installer problem. Yeah. If you hadn't have told me, I wouldn't have ever known.
Yeah.
But that's the same thing I do with every installer of mine. You go and tell the customer, like, oh, there's this one little bit and you see this and it does this and it was supposed to, and they're like, I wouldn't have known, but okay. All right.
It looks good. It looks alright. Yeah. Ideally, you want them standing up, though.
Hey, look, you know what? It looks mint. Yeah. You've done well. You've done well, sir. Tim.
Hey buddy, how you doing?
What's up?
Jump in for a demo?
Nice tweeters, brah.
Hey?
Nice tweeters, brah.
I know. Oh, they're so pretty. Thanks, Cohen, too. He printed the...
You're just in time.
change from all the doofs.
Oh yeah.
Yeehaw. Yeah, nice.
So fucking what? He can design anything. Convenient. Yeah. Change the aiming on them.
This is how we rock in Melbourne.
Is it wood or is it steel? I'm waiting for it to be steel. Me and Jacob.
That's one way to fix your AU. Wow. There's some old school. In case you were wondering, they are M33. That's a big ass bolt. Good shit. Well done, Jamie. You've come a long way. And 161 at 30 hertz, this one will do. So just a little bit of doof. Wow, this has been a bit of fun. There's definitely been some old faces that I haven't seen in a long time, so it's been wicked for a catch-up. But yeah, good to have a bit of an audio event. It's people just out, catching up, hanging out. So thanks for watching, guys. Next time there's another event coming up, I'll try and make sure I get that advertised, and anyone that wants to come out and come and say hello, we'll get it done. But other than that, we'll see you next time. See ya.